This question is powered by AskQuesty.com. Get help with your WordPress questions or tasks on demand.
Hi everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to 301 redirect through your htaccess file. This only works on Apache servers or Apache module servers, so just a word on that. If you're using NGINX, you're not going to be using htaccess file to do this. So if your server is Apache, you're good to go. So you simply need to go into your hosting file manager and find htaccess, which mine is here after I have added this query at the end of it, because it still doesn't show hidden files for some reason in Bluehouse when the check mark is checked. So I add this little tag query equals 1 and show hidden equals 1 and save option equals 1 if you need help with that if you're using Bluehost. So here's my htaccess file. I'm just going to go into edit here. All right, so here it is right here, and I'm going to stretch this out so you can see what's going on. All right, so here is my htaccess file. Everything looks good, but I want to add a redirect here, and it's really easy to do. All you need to write is redirect, and if it's a 301, 301, your old URL, and then space, and then your new URL. And that is it. That is how you redirect a URL to a new URL through your htaccess file. You can also change this to a 302 redirect. If you wanted to maybe redirect your whole domain, your root domain, you would do 301 just a slash, so that's referring to your root directory, and then to your new domain name, or a subdomain, etc., etc. So that is how you add redirects to htaccess. I hope that helps you guys, and have a great day.